Hello, friends. If you want to transfer your Canva saved design and projects from one account to another, or to anyone who is at another location, then open the design and click on this Share button. Here in this option, make sure that Can View is selected. If you allow to edit, when the other user will edit it, your This copy of design will also get changed. Then, click on Copy Link. If the user is on another computer or location, then share this link with email or messaging app. I am going to another account in another browser to show you how it works. Paste the copied link in this search bar and open it. Here is the design, but you cannot edit it. Go to File and make a copy. Here, you have got a copy of this design which you can edit without affecting original shared design. Go to Home, and here editable copy of design is saved in Recent Designs. If you like the video, please subscribe the channel. Thanks for watching.